Thursday, March 25th, and it's the 4th day of our trip, and we're headed into Honolulu to go to Waikiki. We feel like we're driving into New York City for some reason. Look at Tiffany's. Look at Tiffany's. Place right here. I remember it on Valentino. Lululemon! Oh my gosh, look at the surfboard. Rip Curl. Rip Curl. Okay, how do we park? Wow! Oh my gosh. It's so dredging. Pretty. Look at the tree. Look at the tree. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. You see it?
They sit there.
I love it here. Oh.
Okay, where in the world do you park in this city though?
I don't know. There's no parking. Wow.
Oh, wow.
That's kind of crazy. Chaotic. But that water. Oh, there's where Jamie surfs. Oh my gosh, we have to go in there. He jumps off the wall. Oh.
We'll see if we can find parking.
And there's the other tree. I love it here.
Lifeguard only.
I guess this is where you park. It's so pretty. Me too. We're here at Waikiki and it's so pretty. It was raining this morning, but now it's sunny. So pretty!
Okay, we're in the ABC store, which is like a convenience store, and we're gonna pick up some
Spam masubi.
Spam masubi. Do you want the one with egg?
Oh, egg? Do we want one with egg?
Maybe.
Sure.
Yeah.
Why not?
Why not? Go for it. All right. Let's do it.
We have
What do you think we're doing?
good rice. I don't know if I should eat this spam.
Is it spicy? We just stopped to sit down and have a little lunch.
Have a sip of your eggs.
In the tropical paradise, Waikiki. It's very touristy here, but it's very beautiful. The amazing thing about it is that people are just walking with surfboards down the street. So it's like you have a Gucci store and people are wearing their bikinis carrying a surfboard. So it's kind of funny. But a lot of fun. A lot of fun stuff here. So we're just kind of exploring it all.
There's tons of surfers in the water.
There are.
I would love to take a surf lesson right now.
People store their boards here. And then you can just come here and then these are other people's boards. That's so cool. There's locks on there. That's awesome. Oh my gosh. Yeah, because if you live in an apartment, you don't want to have to, like, wow. Look at that. That's cool. There's the Cheesecake Factory. We're just gonna get a smoothie bowl from the Sunrise Staff location here in Waikiki. Just a little small. Look at the dog going in there. So hilarious. So the guy at the counter, what did the guy at the counter say?
He was like we told him that we were here for 3 months, and he was like, that's exactly what my family did, but we ended up staying instead of going home.
Alright, we went to the surfboard and Grace is out there. See what she can do. Just gonna go out to the sandbar. We're in Waikiki. There's a lot of people here. First time on the surfboard in Hawaii. She'll be fine. There's a lot of people out there. Let me just put my camera down. Alright, there's Grace way out there. There's a sandbar out there.
I'm swimming at Waikiki. I was just surfing. But we have to return the surfboard now. And this is like so nice. I don't want to leave. There's a sandbar out there. So I was out there surfing and I only caught like 5 waves, and I was out for like 2 hours, but it was fun just like sitting there. And it's so pretty today. It was raining this morning, but I don't think it rained here. So it's really nice.
Our house. This is our living room. Nice table here. We kind of store Alexis's school stuff underneath the table, and just cute pillows. But the best thing about this living room is the view. So I don't know if you can see it or not, but we can see the ocean there, and then we can actually see the waves to the left there. Nice big TV. And then you go down this hallway, and this is Chase's room. And there's a queen bed in there. That's where Chase is staying. And then you come down here, and there's like a utility closet. And then this is the girls' room. 2 twin beds. A nice closet, and there's a desk in there for Grace to do her homework. And then this is our bedroom. And we have a view of the back like patio area, but we also, out of our window, have a view of the ocean, the Pacific Ocean. And this is a pretty big closet, so we can just store all our stuff in there. And then our master bedroom has its own bathroom attached. And then the kids have a bathroom down the hall. And their bathroom has a nice shower, and it has 2 sinks. And then there's a nice closet there too. And then if you come down here, you have your eating area, dining room, eating area, and open to the kitchen. And it has everything you need in this house. All the appliances, all the dishes that you could need. Really nice dishwasher, knives, coffee maker. And then down here, there's a little step, and so there's a hallway down here. This is where you can pass your food through if you were gonna take it outside. And there's a little area we're keeping our shoes. You're not supposed to wear shoes in the house. Let me show you this too. Actually, that's locked. But this door actually goes through to the bathroom, so you can go right into the bathroom from the outside. It's a covered patio area. And we can work out here. There's a light. House actually has another apartment that's attached to it, and that's what those other 2 doors are on this side, but someone else is staying in that part. That's it. That's our house in Oahu. We love it. It's so comfy. Fits us just right.